Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. The flight to Kuala Lumpur this afternoon. She's eating. Let me be.
Food is life.
Food is life. That's true.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is forbidden anywhere on the aircraft.
What's hello in Malaysia? In Malaysia, hello.
Selamat.
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 Bye-bye.
Hello! Tawa mo sa ID Kalisod. Kaya pa? Kaya pa, be? Kaya mo kuno niya, Sierra. Sige, tagag-chance. Sierra usa. Go! Kaya mo yan, be. Nagibiyaan. Gibiyaan niya. Sir, Nirirakuto bagkart. Nirirakuto bagkart.
Pictures, welcome to you.
Tara mo ay ka try. Sa mapa. I'm just waiting for our luggage to come out on this belt. Here it is. Balintong.
Hello, oy.
I'm going to get my SIM card here in the store. It says I can claim it here.
Your passport?
Passport. Here? Here's where you claim your SIM card when you book it by Klook. It's located right in front of Dunkin' Donuts.
You have free call with tinted tune? unlimited call.
Tune to tune, unlimited call.
And to other network, 25 minutes.
25 minutes to the network. That's it. Very swift, very fast.
How to change a SIM card?
How to change the SIM card? 15 GB, 5 GB is high-speed internet, and 10 GB is the basic internet data. How to change the SIM card? You have to have a toothpick. How to activate the SIM card? You just dial this number 13101. And then if you hear that guy, finished. Now it's activated.
This PLIB transit train is bound for KL Central.
We're on the train.
Going to Central Station.
Central Station. Yeah.
Oh, artista.
Palit na ako ang ticket sa train. Sa club. And it costs 695 baht for the two of us. One way.
Kapit na to. Eh, gabot na to. Mga unsa ta.
Dapat na to, magkaon sa to sa train station. Before ta mga to sa
Kung naitananan.
nanito ta na.
Putbo. Sus, wala na lang ako na-record. Pag-api sa door. Asa ta? Nari tabi, sakay ta.
Nanamidiri sa KL. La 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 la, nalipog na ko. Our first meal here in Kuala Lumpur, McDonald's. Baby got the hot and crispy chicken, and I got the smoky grilled beef. We're now going out of KL Central. This is the exit where we're going to get a taxi to our Airbnb at Ramada Suite. Let's go. Before hailing a cab, you have to purchase first the taxi coupon inside. There it goes. You need to purchase the ticket first. This is the counter where you get the taxi coupon. This is my coupon, and I paid 17 ringgit for this one going to Bukit, Ceylon.
Waiting for a taxi.
Taxi! Taxi!
And we are headed to... We're heading to Bukit. Ano sa to, be?
Bukit, Ceylon.
Bukit?
Bukit, Ceylon.
Ceylon? the road. We're still traveling. Bino?
We are on a 12-hour journey.
Thank you! Salamat malam! Nagamit na dyan ako, be. We're here! We're here!
Here. Hey guys, we just arrived at the Ramada Suite. I just got this key from the locker as instructed by our host, Mike.
This is our home for 1 week.
It's going to be our home for 1 week.
Sumay-sumay.
It's a nice place. And here is the lobby. We have the front desk. Over there. Another lobby over there. I think there's a restaurant out in that end. There's a restaurant there.
Next room.
Yep. Next room.
Let's go
And we're going
up.
to have a room too.
Going up.
There. Need a card for the elevator to work. Hey guys, we're going to give you a room tour. Our home for 1 week.
Here at Ramada Suite.
Ramada Suite. Let's go inside. Ta-da!
Upon entering the room, on the right side, there's shoe cabinet.
Shoe cabinet.
And ami washing machine.
Nami washing machine. Iron. Hair
Hair dryer.
dryer.
Iron.
Kasi tissue.
Commercial
Oh.
tub.
Nice.
Toothbrush.
And ref. My ref I sold. On the left side, toilet. We have a shower. Bottle na shampoo.
Good
And
bit
I have a
soap.
rain shower. Toilet. And us. And upon entering, here on this side,
Electric.
we have a
What's it called?
induction cooker.
Induction cooker. Glasses.
Glasses, water heater, a set of plates. Sa minadari.
Wala.
None. Nothing. Here, nothing. Here. Oh, na mga kuan. Na mga kutsara.
Nasa diri mga...
Here. Mga kaliro. Para pwede magluto. Dire na yung mga kuan. Na yung kutsilyo.
Ipang-ukap jud na mo tanan.
Awa, maneksod. Dari sa bus. Oh, sampay mga pangluto.
Mao gani.
Na gunting.
May siya no nga pa.
Oh, na butanganan oh. Oh. Wala na diha. And on the left side, nami diri dining table, 4-seater, and small couch, small sofa, and then butangan nag fruits.
The TV.
And the TV here. Ano saan nga buwak tinuod ni? Oh, dili day. Kani? Oh, bito pareho na sa tuwa.
Then the bed.
Then the bed here. Napamigamay nga table here sa corner. And this is my workstation for the week. I'm going to edit my vlogs here. Here's the cabinet. Nana diha so da mong bag.
Pet out sa kuan na balcony.
Pet out sa bag.
Ay,
Push left.
wow.
Wow, that's our view for 1 week.
Basta lagi siya.
Niwan siguro?
Wala ka nice. Nice, oh. Wow. Makita ang pavilion. Churva. Wala, makita.
Oh, that's the pavilion. Ah, that's the tower. KL Tower.
Wala na siya.
Yeah, that's the KL Tower.
Word, ikaw no.
And so may na diri.
Ito, labas ko sa
Cars.
sila. Ano ang sabi?
That's our view. Check that out. And our neighborhood are all skyscraper.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur.
Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, guys.